Buying houses for your own stay? Wanting to buy investment properties like all others do? How do we make the precise optimum choice? Who do we seek advice from? What should we be looking out for?
Hi, I'm Donald Lin, a real estate salesperson from OrangeTee AAG division. I'm a trained RES with more than 10 years of mortgage banking experience. So financial prudency is my priority during our preliminary discussion with all my clients buying, selling, especially to post-start their property portfolio.
Meeting people from different statuses and from all walks of life as a banker for more than a decade has enriched my humble life with many skill sets, especially in understanding different yet specific needs for every individual client, negotiation ability to ensure optimum results for my clients, understanding the most minute details of property transactions.
The last being my forte, which enables me to serve all my clients with absolute confidence since day one as an RES.
As it is the most important aspect to the decision-making process of every individual client. Together with my jovial and outspoken personality, I am enjoying my career as a RES to provide precise and professional advice to the benefits of my clients. There are many common questions for property owners who are procrastinating to upgrade, review, and especially enhancing their property portfolio. I'm comfortably settled in with my existing HDB. Would I be overcommitting if I upgrade to a bigger HDB or even a private property?
As a professional RES, I am always ready to hear the needs and wants of my clients before I do my presentation to understand them more, as sometimes what customers assume may not be the best for themselves. Of course, we have to be very tactful of our content and also to prevent two common misunderstandings from consumers.
Financial incapabilities. Am I underqualified to own a private property? Paralysed by perfectionism.
Every seller wants to create a record selling price for selling their property. But do we have the time opportunity to waste? We'll be holding on an extra 2 months for an extra 30k while missing out on a high capital gaining project, which leads to a loss of 100k of capital gain.
Though the choice is yours, I will always be here to advise and guide you through the processes. Of course, sometimes we have to reject sales in a very careful and tactful manner, especially when we know clients are making a move misrepresented or wrongly informed by their peers with sophisticated calculations, and we have to tactfully explain the whole situation to prevent them from making the dreadful mistake.
As an experienced mortgage banker, I will share with you the financial breakdown and advise you accordingly based on
your lifestyle. There are many people who values lifestyle more than monetary investment, but it's time to look forward to property investment which will enhance your lifestyle in near future. Your financials. Appreciating our income to the fullest in property investment while ensuring we are not overly leveraged with fallacy and over-enthusiasm.
Well, property investment does not constitute to owning a second property.
Asset progression does not equate to sell one, buy two, commonly heard in the market.
An owner-occupied property can also be considered as a property investment with good financial planning. How do we start planning and reviewing our property investment portfolio? Are we ready for it with financial prudency? Call me, Donald Lin, at 8722-5833 for a non-obligatory discussion over coffee.